Hello, welcome to my channel. So I have prepped a little bit. So today is the 25th day of the challenge, and what I'm doing is it was a fox cabochon. I'm not doing cabochon. I'm just doing the bezels, and I found a bunch of sorry, I was getting a glove. All right, so I went to Goodwill, the store, and I found all these flowers, all these fabric flowers, fabric flowers, and oh, my light's not on. Sorry about that. Okay, so I have all of these. I am going to just put UV resin on here, have this ready, because I can't like put them down and like make sure it doesn't like, I'm going to have some spillage. I know I will, because it's just the way it is. So I'm going to put this on and we'll see how these turn out. I am really excited to do this. I think this is going to be really neat. All right, so I'm going to put you on a fast forward and